Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook pecan pie, a truly beloved dessert perfect for any occasion. We'll go over each step, from preparing a flaky crust to achieving that perfectly set, gooey filling topped with crunchy pecans. It's a surprisingly simple recipe that yields impressive results, and I'm excited to guide you through creating this delicious, comforting pie that will surely become a family favorite. Let's get started on making this sweet masterpiece. First, let's get our foundation ready. You'll need one unbaked 9-inch pie crust. While a homemade crust is wonderful, a good quality store-bought one works perfectly too. For the filling, in a large bowl, whisk together 3 large eggs, 1 cup of corn syrup, and half a cup of granulated sugar. Then incorporate half a cup of packed brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Finally, fold in 1 cup of chopped pecans. This creates that irresistible, sweet and nutty center. Now it's time for the magic to happen in the oven. Carefully pour your delicious pecan filling into the unbaked pie crust. Place it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 175 degrees Celsius. Bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the center is mostly set but still has a slight jiggle. If your crust starts to get too dark, simply cover the edges with a bit of aluminum foil. Patience is key for a perfectly baked pie. The hardest part is waiting, but it's essential. Once baked, let your pecan pie cool completely on a wire rack for at least 2 to 3 hours. This allows the filling to set properly, giving you those beautiful, clean slices. You can enjoy it plain or elevate it with a generous dollop of fresh whipped cream or a scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream. Leftovers can be stored covered at room temperature for up to 2 days, or in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. Enjoy your homemade pecan pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.